Aussie dollar CAD. Dollar CAD.
Alright, I'm back.
Aus.
Sorry about that.
Hey Swing, can you tell me what your divergence thing says about euro and pound?
Euro and pound, yeah. My internet was just off, so everything is new now. Don't tell me I got stopped out on the Aussie dollar, no. But this looks pretty bad anyway. What did you say, pound?
Euro and pound, I'm looking for the...
6 hours is same. But you're on a larger time frame, right? Let me just go to 36 is pretty good. Also, both positive. But the pound is higher than the euro.
Pound is higher than the euro. Well, that makes sense to what I'm seeing. But it doesn't give me confidence about the future.
Up, but it's time for me to be dropping down my defense. I realize I wasn't there for real. What I did didn't make any sense. How can I get you?
Can you just tell me which color is the pound and which color is the...
I'm just typing it. I just had the same idea.
I just can't see it, that's all. Thanks.
You see, the euro is pretty much consolidating. So I guess the pound is more important.
Good morning.
Oh, it's dark blue for the pound. The light blue
Yeah, got it.
is Swiss francs.
But it looks like the euro is pushed up considerably in the...
Euro dollar.
Yeah, but now it's consolidating forever. I mean, even on the 36 hours, it doesn't move. It didn't move very much. It just went up and then stayed there. Let me get a larger time frame. Yeah, the euro didn't move at all. Here's 500 hours. It is positive, but not much. Now there's a candle missing because my internet went out. Just reload that real quick.
The pound moved a lot.
Cable.
Equity news from Germany. Volkswagen brand CEO says the company is considering building e-cars in Wolfsburg.
I guess shorting the Aussie dollar isn't a good idea. The euro seems to go up. Where's my stop anyway?
Dollar CAD.
Yeah, this is not gonna work. Buy the euro instead.
Dollar CAD. Aussie dollar.
envidiosos. Tranquilo con mi flow, los mantengo. Me dicen que estás escaso, pero tengo. No tengo la voz ronca como Ñengo. Pero los parto bien duro como Sony le hizo a Nintendo. Quieren más, pero no son capaces de nada. Mantienen diciendo que lo que hay. Y si yo les digo se asustan. Estar en la cima no es normal. La gente me odia porque soy original. Tanto falso que hay en esta humanidad. Yo los entiendo y sé por qué así están. Es que Supreme es tan high que no tiene ningún rival.
Todo pecho frío se cría en el río, teniendo lo suyo, enseñando lo mío. Ahí donde empiezan toditos los líos, porque se comparan con el Rey León. Yo ando de off y yo on, yo no junto una canción. Tú Mercedes, yo tengo una parking en la colección.
Pero no son capaces de nada. Mantienen diciendo que lo que hay. Y si yo les digo se asustan. Estar en la cima, llegó a la meta. En bicicleta, todos se creen esos poetas. Porque han rimado calle con galletas. Si tú me das
Aussie dollar.
estoy de ser el primero en hacer las cosas porque no tiene la actitud. No estoy pa' juzgar, tampoco estoy
Ah, the dollar index just hit the viva. Maybe this is a fake.
podrán tocar. Quieren de lo mío, pero nada les voy a dar. Porque he luchado mucho para llegar a este lugar. Quieren más, pero no son
It's a late entry too.
mantienen diciendo que lo que
It doesn't matter if it's a fake. Aussie dollar pays.
digo se asustan. Estar en la cima no es normal. Y pongan la mesa que ya son por ahí las 12. Así que los niños para el cuarto. El país no tarda tanto. Él solamente tiene que comer. Y ustedes no pueden ver.
Ustedes me aman con plata, después les espaldas pirata. Aquí no hay juego corbata y un poco de jeva pachata. Tú sabes como el veneno me sabe mi pana, de eso construyo mi sueño. Nadie me quiere ver bien, le digo aquí estamos todos muy bien.
Pero no son capaces de nada. Mantienen diciendo que lo que hay.
Well, within 10 pips up on pound yen, I expect to pull back.
Estar en la cima no es normal. Y todos mis envidiosos, les va a llegar una carta de Papá Noel que se ha portado muy mal.
Could be even now.
Aussie dollar made a new high just to stop me out. Oh, fuck you. Look at that.
Dollar CAD.
In the stillness somewhere above the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you are lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Love is forever, love is forever. With the music still in your ears, you're on your way to conquer your fears. In this dream of your own desire, there is someone calling your name. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Just close your eyes.
Dollar CAD.
When you wake up, you know what you need to do. Just close your eyes. Someone's been waiting for you. Just close your eyes.
HSBC have cut Air France KLM to reduce from hold.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record, for the record.
Euro dollar.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all.
Cable.
I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote.
HSBC also lowering the price target on EasyJet to 850 pence from 900, and cut the price target on Credit Agricole as well, 9.8 euros down from 10.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record.
Aussie dollar.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. You made my day, you made my day, you made my day, oh, day. You made my day, you made my day, you made my day, oh, day, oh.
Cable.
HSBC cutting the price target on Deutsche Lufthansa as well, €1.50 down from €2.25. A quick run through the major headlines from overnight during the Asian trading session. Pelosi and the Democrats unveiling a new $2.2 billion COVID aid bill. Pelosi and Mnuchin did speak yesterday on COVID aid, and they are set to speak again Tuesday, according to US political reporters. Comments from the NIH's Fauci saying the US is not in a good place, noting hospitalizations are rising in some states. Comments from the EU Commission chief saying she's still convinced a post-Brexit deal is possible. Also a piece from the Times garnering attention overnight said hopes of a Brexit deal have risen. This after the EU said they're ready to work on the legal agreement. Did see sterling push up to a high of 128.82 overnight before it pulled back. Beijing still not close to meeting demands of the US trade deal. A piece from the South China Morning Post. Bloomberg followed with a similar report on their website as well. BOJ summary of opinions, some calling for a review of strategy to achieve their price goal. In the markets, Asian bourses are pretty mixed. US equity futures edging higher on the aforementioned COVID bill.
Aussie yen.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. my friends. These are the good times.
Aussie yen.
I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. Making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. 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 There's a little girl with golden hair, running free with no despair. And I wonder who has brought her here, into this playful place, this playing space with sparkling grace. I wanna sing in 1,000 ways. I wanna sing in 1,000 ways. In 1,000 pretty picture in the sky, cloudy dolphins floating by. Just imagine how they play and hide. All the force we keep within, step up and out of the way. Invite the universe into this playful place, this playing space with sparkling grace. I wanna sing in 1,000 ways, in 1,000
Hi SwingFish, how you doing?
Losing money.
I have a question. Right now, the candle close of you is different than the MetaTrader. Why is that?
It's probably a different time frame.
Does that matter or doesn't matter? Because, you know, for me, it looks like it closed above a certain level. And on TradingView, it doesn't look like it closed above a certain level. So which one should I take?
I don't really know if that matters at all.
Yeah, it doesn't matter based on the strategy that I'm using. Do you know a way if I could if I could change the trading view same as the MetaTrader, so the candle closure will be the same, so I can backtest my strategy?
And just look at the price. It doesn't really matter when things close. Only the price matters.
No, but based on the strategy, you need to wait for a candle closure.
Isn't the candle close the same on both platforms?
Can you see gold? Gold on MetaTrader for the 4 hours closed at 184.
Oh, okay. Well, if you use the 4 hour, and it'll also depend on when the broker server starts. But that's something the only way you can really work around that, man, is if you're on the 1 hour time frame.
Okay, so
because the 1 hour time frame will be the same no matter what broker you're using.
Yes, exactly.
Assuming that the time is correct on the server.
Correct.
So is there a way that I could change the time frame of the broker or the time frame of TradingView, like make it the same as MetaTrader, so I can backtest my strategy?
You get paid by your broker.
Just use 4 1 hour candles instead of 1 4 hour candle.
Bingo!
Yeah, but see, this is the thing, the moving averages will change.
They shouldn't. Not if you're looking at everything on the 1 hour time frame. It should be the same.
How much change are we looking at anyway?
No, it will
Yes,
change.
yes. How much change are we looking at? How much is it different?
The difference will be around 50 pips.
In US dollars?
I did not understand that.
What is the closing price on the one thing and the closing price on the other thing? Gold is quoted in US dollars.
See, right now when you have a moving average,
Just tell me the closing price from TradingView and the closing price on your MetaTrader.
okay, so basically the closing price of the TradingView is it closed at 1881 of the gold, and the MetaTrader closed at 1884. So I should be entering gold. I should be entering a buy on gold if it closes above 1882. The 4 hours.
It's a $3 difference. Just have a larger stop and you're good.
No, but I want to get a confirmation. That's the thing.
I'm gonna regret that, but I'm gonna open a gold chart.
My broker, see the 4 hours of TradingView, okay, has closed it has closed the previous 4 hours. It has closed 1881. Yeah, and I wanted it to close above 1882.
Your broker's price is what you get paid on. So that's what you get paid.
No, I am looking for the analysis. I did not enter the trade yet.
Well, mine closed at 1881.38.
You have on TradingView on MT4.
They're not available. Yeah, but see, this is the thing. I want to put the same time of the trading view as the MetaTrader, so I could re-backtest the strategy. Understand what I mean? And then enter from the current price.
Well, if a $3 difference makes the change between it works or it doesn't, don't waste your time.
If you want to, you can be anything tonight. Hey. But you gotta work for
And for the
$3 difference, that's 30 pips.
$3 in gold is huge.
we cannot really hear you, by the way.
$3 difference is 30 pips, man. Not 3 pips.
$3 is $3. That's it.
Yeah, 30 pips.
Well, who cares about pips? If it's 2 or 200, it makes no difference. Trading the 4-hour chart, we're talking price changes from 1959 to 1840. That's $100, and you fucking around about $3. If you capture a $150 moves, who gives a shit about $3?
No, dude. Look, I am not fucking around about the $3. Based on the indicator that I have, when the 4 hours closes above the moving average, that means it's going to this certain price. Okay? So I'm supposed to enter when the 4 hours closes above 1882. Okay? And
Aussie dollar.
on MetaTrader, it has already closed above 1882. But
Listen, man. Listen, there's only one. You can talk about this till you're blue in the face. There's only one. From what you're saying, the only way you're saying there's a difference between the 4 hour. The only way to change that is to go to the 1 hour on both of those brokers, man. On both of those platforms, change it to the 1 hour, and it will be the same. Okay, you're looking for a solution. We're giving you a solution. If that solution doesn't work for you, there's nothing else we can really tell you, man.
Euro dollar.
okay, all I wanted to know if there is a way that you
There is a way. But I don't understand what the fixation is with the 4 hour time frame. If it's 4 hours, bro, let's just say as an example, you start at 8 a.m. Okay, you look at the 1 hour time frame from 8 a.m. until 12 p.m. on both of those, using whatever your moving average is. Okay, and whatever the candle closes at will be the same at 12 p.m. on both of those time frames, and there's your verification.
Okay, thank you guys.
And base it off of whatever the close is with your broker. So whenever the 4 hour closes at
cable
2 p.m., okay, then look at the 1 hour at 2 p.m. on both of them. Does that make sense?
Yeah, plus if a $3 difference on the 4-hour chart changes a strategy from winning to losing, then there's something essentially wrong anyway.
There's something seriously wrong, yeah.
Euro dollar.
Based on you guys' trading experience, what's more reliable, the GMT 4 hours or the MetaTrader 4 hours?
Well, if you trade on MetaTrader, you have to look what MetaTrader tells you. You have to trade what you see and not what you want to see.
Once I realized that the time frame was that the candle will be different depending on what broker you look at on the 4 hour, I just left the 4 hour alone. That's my, because I mean, there's really no way of saying.
Euro dollar.
Let's buy dollar CAD again.
What's that?
Buy dollar CAD again. Oh.
Ooh.
For the second time. Let's see if it fucks me over this time.
Is there a way that you can get an indicator from trading, put it on CTrader?
Depends on the indicator, what it does. Can code basically anything.
No, I meant like straight up way, like you don't need a lot more things like that.
Well, same answer.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star.
Price action really as slow as it looks like right now.
Broken hearts, but they can even touch
Even dollar CAD is like 5 pips up, 5 pips down.
this waiting and we
Yeah, I woke up, I'm looking at some of these charts and they look exactly the same as when I went to sleep.
Just bought a reversal on dollar CAD. I mean, I got stopped out, but I put it on and then I moved the stop and I just add the size and it says like 6.5 lots and I was, what the fuck? This is dollar CAD.
You were shorting it, right?
No, I was buying it, and then I saw that the range is just unbelievably tiny.
Yeah, most of these pairs, it's the same Renko bar as when I went to sleep, man. That was like
Cable.
3 hours ago. I mean, exactly. I'm flipping through and I'm going, wow, man, that's nothing, not one bar.
Yeah, I was confused too. Usually it's like 2.5 lots, maybe 3 if I'm lucky. But then it was 6.5 by default, so I kind of so I have room to scale in. And something is wrong here. I'm on the right account.
Aussie dollar.
The recent swing up on dollar CAD is like 6.5 pips.
Yeah, it's kind of in the middle, and it's in the buy zone, but it has resistance already set above it, so that's a hard place to trade. I mean, resistance is at what is that, 134.11 thereabouts? Or is that 17? I'm sorry, 17. Yeah, good luck.
I'm probably gonna get stepped out again.
Are you buying?
Yeah.
Well, at least you're on the right side of the market, bro. I mean, it puts the odds more in your favor. I mean, it's on the buy side. It's above monthly R1. It's above weekly pivot. It hasn't tapped weekly R1 yet, so that's a good sign. But man, it's slow.
Come on! I don't have all day.
Aussie dollar.
Oh, I see why it stopped. It tested resistance. Actually, this could go down from here. Yeah, this could go very much down from here. Better find some short targets. How far is that? 17.
Aussie dollar. Cable.
I'm not so sure where this is gonna go.
There's some UK equity news here from Ferguson, the multinational plumbing and heating product company, coming across with a full year revenue of $21.82 billion on estimates of 21.52, so that's a beat.
Dollar CAD.
Also as well, Ferguson here announcing an increase in their final dividend a share of $2.08 versus $1.45 year on year. That's Ferguson PLC there. London listed, increasing their dividend to $2.08 versus $1.45 year on year.
Looks like the market just woke up.
Yeah, looks like it.
Dollar dollar. DAX, Cable,
There's a little pop on your dollar CAD.
Yeah, but it has trouble making new highs. I'm at 0%. Shorting the DAX real quick. Grabbing some volatility.
Well, I got nothing, man. So I'm going to watch something for about an hour until friggin' London open, and I'll be back.
Cable, Aussie dollar, dollar CAD, Euro dollar. Dollar CAD. Aussie dollar.
Just some commodity news. MPD Drilling saying they found some new oil and gas discovery not far from Fram field in the North Sea. So there's some new discovery of oil and gas said to be not far from the Fram field, which is in the North Sea.
Cable. Cable.
Some banking news here. It says that Citigroup is set to open the biggest wealth management hub in Singapore.
Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. Cable. Aussie dollar.
Just for those that follow Norway, they released their Q4 bond issuance plans. They plan to sell between 16 to 26 billion Norwegian kroner in treasury bonds in Q4 and plan to issue around 8 to 12 billion Norwegian kroner in bonds in Q4. So in total then, across treasury bills and bonds at the upper end of the range, looking to issue around 38 billion Norwegian kroner, and on the bottom end of the range around 24 billion across treasury bills and bonds in Q4.
Euro dollar. So just a heads up, we're moving into 10 minutes until quarter to the hour and the first of the European macro data this morning. We get French consumer confidence for September, looking for 93 on a prior 94. Aussie dollar. Cable.
I better close the DAX before the news. You know what? I'm gonna close everything. 0.5%, fuck it. Okay, I made no money on that one. Right, 0.5% here. How did the euro trade work out? I didn't even look at it. Oh, okay, that paid for the loss.
Euro dollar, Aussie dollar.
Seeing the early release here of Germany and Northwestern Rhine, September consumer prices falling spot 3% on the year, with the month on month coming in at spot 2%.
Aussie dollar.
French consumer confidence there coming in at 95, with the prior revised to 95 from 94. Just to repeat that, French consumer confidence coming in better than expected on estimates of 93, coming in at 95 with the prior revised to 95 from 94. Just to recap that as well, the early release of the German CPI for North Rhine and Westphalia. The year on year coming in at spot 3%. That's coming in at negative spot 3% with the prior negative spot 2, with the month on month coming in at negative 0.2% with the prior flat.
Just like a dream, yeah, you and me. Can't help but feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette
Cable.
makes me forget all of my fears just disappeared.
Dollar CAD.
Okay then, never mind.
You're all I want, now keep me warm. just like a dream. I'm coming in. The fantasy, it never leaves when I'm with you. Ooh, I give you a taste. Now when you with me, you can have your cake. Just love me like you do. And just love me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams of being haunted, you're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like you do. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can.
Seeing Euro Japanese yen here extended its gains, hitting 123.41. That's the highest since September 21st.
You can have it all. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and be the best that you can be, then you can have it all.
So we're just under, and we get Spanish CPI starting with the month on month for September. These are first reads, looking for a flat on a prior flat, with the year on year looking for negative 0.5 on a prior negative 0.5. The EU harmonized month on month looking for spot 5% on a prior flat, with the year on year looking for negative 0.5 on a prior negative 0.6%. Also from Spain, we'll get retail sales year on year for August, looking for negative 3.1% on a prior negative 3.7%. From Germany, the regional CPI from Saxony month on month for September is due, for them looking for negative 0.3%, and then the year looking for spot 1%. And for those that follow Sweden, we'll also get some data. Economic tendency survey for September, looking for 87, well, prior of 87.
Dollar CAD.
Just as we move into 5 minutes till the open, I just want to flag some of the overnights quickly. Heard from ECB Snable saying the ECB could skew benchmark allocation of private asset purchases in favour of green and consider excluding certain bonds in the presence of market failures. Market neutrality may not be appropriate benchmark, she said. Just a reminder as well, yesterday Lagarde floated the idea of green teltros. Moving to the US, Fed Mester says current policy is well calibrated and says it is too soon to discuss whether more QE is needed. In the Brexit space, von der Leyen says she is still convinced an agreement is possible and that EU negotiators are willing to work on draft version of a free trade agreement this week. That's according to the Times. We also, for the US House Democrats, said they US House Democrats released a 2.2 trillion stimulus proposal and could vote on the bill this week if no bipartisan deal is found. And finally, just overnight in Asia, the Bank of Japan, some members called for a review of the elusive inflation goal in the September minutes. Just overnight though, we did see Japanese inflation was higher than expected in September, with the core rate rising to flat on a consensus of negative 0.2%.
Oh, the DAX made it to the target. I'm gonna close it here.
So we're just under 3 minutes now until we get this Spanish data for September prelim reads on the CPI for the month, looking for flat with the year negative 0.5%. On the EU harmonised month, looking for positive 0.5%, and on the year, looking for negative 0.5%. We also get Spanish retail sales year on year, looking for negative 3.1% for August. Just looking at some of the main first pre-market indications given the LVMH Tiffany saga. LVMH called up spot 5% as it continues to bid to drop the 16 billion acquisition. After we saw Ferguson beat its full year revenue and EPS, and the business is in good shape, it's called to be unchanged at the open. Allianz is set to be called down around 1% as US pension funds sue Allianz after a $4 billion in COVID losses. Other companies have reported this one in the likes of Greggs called up around 1%, AA called up around 1% as well here in the UK.
10 seconds to the top of the hour. Spot 2% for CPI on the month, with the year-on-year coming in at negative 0.4%. EU harmonised month-on-month coming in flat, with the year-on-year coming in at negative 0.6%. Moving to Swedish data for September, the economic tendency survey coming in at 88.3 on
CAD
84.4. Moving back to Spain there, the retail sales coming in worse than expected at negative 4.6% year-on-year. The Spain August seasonally adjusted retail sales falling 2.4%. So just to recap those CPI readings, the month-on-month coming in a touch odder at spot 2 on estimates of flat, with the year-on-year coming in at negative 0.4% on estimates of negative 0.5%. Also as well, we got the regional German CPI Saxony month-on-month coming in at negative 0.1 on a prior negative 0.3, with the year-on-year coming in line with the prior at spot 1%. Some commentary from Sweden's NIER saying that companies are more optimistic over production. Just looking further through this NIER report, it says Swedish inflation is seen at 3.1% in 12 months versus 2.8% seen in August. Also seen some pressure in the travel sector. Air France KLM shares down 2.9% after HSBC cut them to reduce from hold. And just make everyone aware, China's spokesman Wang is beginning his daily briefing in Beijing. And some more Asia banking news here. Goldman Sachs set to launch FX trading engine in Singapore.
Euro dollar, Aussie dollar.
Damn, the DAX is still dropping.
Hang crept up to the London Open and is having a pullback now.
Yeah, the Euro too. Maybe the
Wait.
Maybe the VWAP is holding. Maybe the VWAP is holding.
Wait.
Oh, look at the DAX. It's still going down. Unbelievable.
All I have to say is, how deep is your love?
Right to the pivot. Whatever. I'm done for today.
Oh yeah, I gotta look at the other indexes. Good point.
0.5% in profit. Good enough.
Yep, they're all doing that pullback I asked about.
I feel like I'm missing out.
I don't think you are.
Well, if I am, man. It's a new me, man. I'm waiting for my friggin' pitch, man.
Gold looks like it's gonna pull back. It looks like it's gonna fly to 1920, 1935.
Yeah, that's the business, Omega. We just wait for our little pips.
One at a time. Okay, maybe 1/10 at a time today.
Yeah.
Well, okay, well, let's maybe 1/10 at a time. No, let's make a trade, even if I don't see one. No, I'm just gonna wait, man. Nothing happens, I'll go to bed. Tomorrow's another day.
Oh, look at DollarCAD. What a piece of shit.
I told you were on the right side of the market. Did you get out?
I got stopped out twice.
ECB here saying no funds were borrowed using the overnight loan facility. However, just over 370 billion euros was deposited.
Okay, but the second time the stop was kind of stupid because I just put it at the same level.
Super tight.
It wasn't too tight, it was just tight. But not, yeah, well, you get the idea.
Yes, sir.
I was just thinking, okay, you got me the first time, now I'm gonna try again. Very good risk reward, and then it just smashed through. And guess what?
What?
Same candle back up. Just go and get my stop. Just a second. Oh, I'm locked out of the stream.
Unbelievable. Like all the big move was Sunday again, man, with friggin' pound pairs. And now I'm just waiting for something. A little friggin' setup.
That would be 0.5% profit now. But it gave me a big fuck you.
The big kiss off. Oh, criminy, dude. Look at that. That's perfect, Swing. I mean, perfect right off your VWAP, man.
Which one?
I'm looking at UCAD chart.
Oh yeah, it just swang over. I bought them both entries were off the VWAP.
Pound yen.
Damn, you should have went for a third time, man. Third time would have been the charm.
The third time would not have stopped me out.
I ain't giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, get over.
Pound yen.
It's 4 o'clock in the morning. The sound of that damn disconnection on MT4 is terrifying, man.
I got disconnected twice too. This is my local internet.
Just highlighting this given the weakening in the Russian ruble of late, but Russia's central bank says it will carry out additional intervention on the FX market starting October the 1st.
Morning comes at night.
Wait, what?
I don't understand. You and I so different now. We are always all
Countermeasure against the ruble.
Oh, okay. I just heard something different, but that's okay.
Wow.
You heard intervention on the
That's what I heard, yeah. That's what I heard, thank you.
It just went up $1, the ruble.
What are you talking about?
I said, what? Intervention, what?
The ruble went up $1 on the opening.
So Russia's central bank there giving us a figure saying it will sell an additional 2.9 billion rubles a day as part of its FX interventions from October to December.
I don't think I have rubles.
It's like, I don't know, 8% move ish.
Ruble is gonna get a lot more expensive.
What's the abbreviation?
RUB.
I thought. Let's see, what the hell am I?
Because Putin wants to sell the vaccine.
Euro dollar.
You guys like Mother Russia or no?
No rubles. Okay.
The spread is really good.
I'm a Mother
Euro
Russia.
dollar.
You funny man.
You just need to sign over to your house to the broker in case you're gonna hold your position during rollover.
It's actually Mother Russia, if you don't know about it.
How do you know what do we know?
Yeah, why do you assume that everyone doesn't know?
I mean, it's it's Mother Russia, man. You know, it's USSR, Mother Russia.
And
she's got hairy legs and fucking vodka on her breath.
Don't be dissing Mother Russia. You understand?
Yeah, so what's your point?
Just throwing a joke, guys. You guys take everything so serious.
No, I got it. It was funny.
Is it some obscure reference to Red Dawn?
No,
Oh, that movie was so funny. They were like, "Oh, look at her."
Well, he left.
So they broke out the submachine. So they broke out the machine guns. That was hilarious. Talking about the original, not the remake. Okay, something needs to happen here, man.
The clown Amarav is back.
So am I the clown or you are the clown who's speaking behind the window?
Yes,
No mud fighting here.
I prefer your accent to the robot voice. Swing, make something happen.
I'm thinking of buying pound yen. But no, I'm not gonna do shit now. I'm still salty about the DAX.
I thought you were gonna say you were salty about the friggin' the Canadian.
No, this is just normal day in paradise, but the DAX, I actually had a target at the pivot and it smashed right into it. 4 15-minute candles, all red. No wicks.
Euro dollar.
No wicks.
But what, you were short and got out?
Yeah, it was just revenge trading, and then I actually looked at it. I mean, you know, turn on the brain and take a look. And the pivot looks good, and there's a previous target a little bit higher. That looks good too. And then I made a 0.5% profit. Oh, fuck it, I'm out of here.
Speaking of revenge trading,
Aussie dollar.
where's your shadow?
Actually, at first I had the idea I close the DAX and let my Euro trade play out. I'm glad I didn't do that.
Sheesh, bro, this is gonna be a long friggin' session at this rate.
Damn, it's really bright outside.
It doesn't look like there's a lot of news either. Oh shit. Okay.
The ruble is still going up.
Tell me you love me. Don't let go. Tell me a secret. Let me know. We got up and we saw the horizon. With a smile, you're making me follow. In a second, all this could be over. But for now, you're my four-leaf clover. We got up and we saw the horizon. With a smile, you're making me follow. In a second, all this could be over. But for now, you're my four-leaf clover. Tell me you love me.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to it.
Aussie dollar.
We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Euro dollar.
Making plans up as we go. Where it is when no one knows just how we want it. Going left, going right. Doesn't matter tonight, just how we want it. We want it. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up.
Euro dollar.
Of our lives. The night is young. Don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody else in our zone.
Oh, that's pretty funny, man.
Aussie dollar.
What?
Cable.
Stuck inside my mind because you got
Aussie dollar. Dollar CAD.
my tails on just like your girl. Before you know it, shame will leave ya. No trace, no note, you'll never see ya. You ask her what you did and I didn't fix it. You try to find a way and get forgiveness. The search for pain is closer an addiction. So I'm just here to tell you why. Why? It is what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is. Why? I'm just here to tell you it is what it is. There's no running, no hiding from it. You just have to stand and face it. She left you with no words of reason. All you can do is club and rebound. I know it's hard, but you can fake it. Yeah, just fake it till you make it. Before you know it, you'll forget her. Yeah, at least until the fog is clearer. You ask her what you did and I didn't fix it. You try to find a way and get forgiveness. The search for pain is close to an addiction. So I'm just here to tell you why. It is what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is. Why? It is what it is, what it is, what it is. Why? You ask her what you did and I didn't fix it. Why? You try to find a way and get forgiveness. Why? Search for pain is close to an addiction. Why? So I'm just here to tell you it is what it is.
Let me level with you. Let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free. Be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance. Baby, find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight. I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor. Maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe. I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off. All I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off, a night off. I could use a new friend. I don't wanna pretend. You just get who I am. Almost feel like we're fam. Think it's time that we try something money can't buy. You and me should go dance. Maybe find us some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight. I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor. Maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe. I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night
So moving into 3 minutes until we get the Baden-Württemberg for September. The month-on-month there, a prior of negative 0.2, with the year-on-year a prior of spot 3%. Also as well at the top of the hour at 9, we get Hess month-on-month for September, a prior of negative 0.3%, with the year-on-year also a prior of negative 0.3%. Also as well, we'll get Bavaria on the month for September, a prior flat, with the year-on-year a prior of spot 1%. Seeing the German state of Baden-Württemberg there, September CPI in the year coming in flat, with a month-on-month coming in at negative 0.2%. So to recap that with the price in Baden-Württemberg, month-on-month negative 0.2%, in line with the prior, with the year-on-year coming in flat on a prior of spot 3%.
Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD.
One minute till the top of the hour. So seeing Bavaria come across there with a September CPI of negative 0.3% month on month versus unchanged month on month in August, with the year on year coming at negative 0.2%, that's versus an up 0.1% year on year in August. Also seeing Hess here come across month on month, negative 0.2% on a prior negative 0.3%, with the year on year at negative 0.5% on a prior negative 0.3%. Just some commodity commentary here from Vital, saying that oil demand is still 4 to 5 million barrels a day below a year ago expectations. And also as well, the 5G saga here in the UK. Nokia is said to expand their 5G deal with the UK's BT to fill the Huawei void. And some Bank of Japan news here. The Bank of Japan is said to plan no changes to its frequency and bond buying plan for October. So just to recap all that, CPI for Hess month on month, negative 0.2%, prior negative 0.3%, year on year negative 0.5%, on the prior negative 0.3%. For Bavaria on the month, negative 0.3% on the prior flat, with the year on year negative 0.2% on a prior positive 0.1%. Back to that Bank of Japan. Bank of Japan is said to plan no changes to its frequency in bond buying plan for October. And some UK news, with Nokia said to be expanding its 5G deal with UK's BT to fill the void left by Huawei. Also as well there we got the PPI from Italy coming in at spot 1% for August on a prior spot 4, with the year on year coming in at negative 4% on a prior negative 5.4%. And just in the commodity space, LME copper stockpiles rise by 33,200 tonnes. That's hitting a 2-month high. Moving back to the Bank of Japan, BOJ has cut its planned purchase amount for floating rate bonds in October.
Euro dollar. Euro yen. Euro yen. Euro Yen.
Getting some comments from the German Finance Minister Scholz there, saying the German debt ratio will rise to about 75% of GDP. Turkey's finance minister sees a V-type Turkish economic recovery starting in the third quarter. Turkey's finance minister saying Turkey is targeting permanent low single-digit inflation. terms of growth, according to the Finance Minister's slides, the GDP growth in Turkey seen at spot 3% in 2020, forecast at 5.8% for 2021 and 5% in 2023. And in energy news, according to a Reuters trade source, North Sea's 40th crude stream expected to have at least 14 cargoes in November.
Euro dollar. Euro dollar.
More from the Turkish Finance Minister, saying growth will slow in Q4 compared to Q3.
Stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need?
So we're just under 10 minutes away from the release of some UK data, housing data. Mortgage approvals for August seen to rise by 71,300 against the prior read of 66,300, with a range between 65,000 and 85,000. In terms of the UK net consumer credit for August, that's seen in at 1.5 billion against a prior read of 1.2 billion, with a range between 0.7 and 2 billion. We'll also get the net lending secured on dwellings for August, seen in at 3.8 billion on a prior read of 2.7 billion. With the UK consumer credit year-on-year for August, no estimates, but a prior decline of 3.6%. We'll also get the M4 money supply out of the UK on the month for August. No estimate, but a prior read of 0.9%, with the year-on-year read on the prior coming in at 13.5%. And the 3-month annualized read coming in on the prior at 17.7%.
Can I be the one? change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this, start this, I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I change my mind, maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need if I change the way I love?
Euro dollar.
Walk through the fire, the sound of a lion. I found my way back in the end.
Euro dollar.
Baby, I'm falling for you and the way you make me feel. No need to pretend. I just assumed we were more than just friends, 'cause I felt the tension in the room. Caught in emotion on every occasion. Laughter in hours of gloom.
Sitting here, China's August services trade deficit coming in at 13.5 billion according to the FX regulator, with the Jan to August services trade deficit at 123 billion.
Dollar CAD.
Just to repeat that then, China's August services trade deficit coming in at 13.5 billion, with the Jan to August services trade deficit at 123 billion. So moving into 3 minutes then till we get this UK data. Mortgage approvals looking for 71,000, the range 65 to 85,000. With the Bank of England consumer credit looking for 1.45 billion, the range 700 million to 2 billion. With the mortgage lending for August looking for 3.65 billion, the range there 2.6 to 4 billion. We'll also get the money supply M4 month on month for August, prior of spot 9% with the year on year, a prior of 13.5%. Also seeing there the PBOC releasing their survey Q3 Business Climate Index rising 6.6 percentage points to 49.4%. Just under 1 minute now to the data. I'm still waiting on that UK data. Mortgage approvals coming in at 84,700, significantly more than expected. 84,700 for mortgage approvals. That's on estimates of 71,300. Bank of England consumer credit there coming in at 300 million. With the UK August net mortgage lending coming in at 3.1 billion. The Bank of England says that August consumer lending came in at negative 3.9% year on year. So to recap that, mortgage approvals 84,700, stronger than expected, with the Bank of England consumer credit coming in at 300 million. The mortgage lending coming in at 3.1 billion, with the Bank of England saying their August consumer lending fell 3.9% year on year, with the commentary saying that consumer lending falls year on year was the biggest on record. Net lending to non-financial businesses came in at 4.293 billion. Still waiting on the money supply, but just moving to Portugal there, September economic climate for Portugal coming in at negative 0.5 on a prior negative 1.3. Seeing the M4 money supplies and revisions coming through now. So the UK money supply at M4 month on month, negative 0.4% with the prior revised spot 8 from spot 9, with the year on year at 12.1, with the prior revised to 13.4 from 13.5%. We've also got some revisions to the net consumer credit, prior revised to 1.1 billion from 1.2, with the consumer credit year on year revised to negative 3.7 from negative 3.6.
No more setups. So I'll call it a day. Have a good one, everybody, and I'll be back tomorrow morning to Asia session. Feel free to hop into Discord. It's completely free.